Today we are gonna have a lesson about the math center you are gonna be working this week. It's related to area and perimeter. So listen carefully because this is gonna be brand new for you, for the most of you. Okay, imagine that I have, let's start with this shape. Okay, what's the name of this shape? A rectangle. Yeah. So let's see how many units measure this rectangle. On this side, I have 1, and on the other side, the same. And here I have 1 and 2 units, and the same on the top. Okay. First thing, perimeter. The perimeter will be the line around the shape. Imagine that this is a swimming pool and you walk around. How many units you will walk? Okay, so what we need to do is to add this side, this side, this side, and the other side, because you will be starting here until here again. So you will add the 4 distances. Side plus side plus side plus side equal perimeter. Let's see with this shape, with this example. This side is 4 plus 1 unit plus another 2 units plus the last unit. So the perimeter will be equal to 2 plus 1 makes 3, another 3 over here, 3 plus 3, 6 units. Easy, kind of. Let's do a different shape and another perimeter. This time is going to be like that. Vale? The first thing that you need to think about is the number of units you have in your shape. Like imagine that they are inches, for instance. 2 over here, 2 over here, 2 over here, and 2 over here. Okay, and remember, this time is a square, but the perimeter is going to be the same. This side plus this side plus this side plus this side. Imagine that this is not a swimming pool, but a playground or something, or your backyard. So you are playing and you start walking until you are done with the 4 sides. Okay, so let's write the sides. 2 units plus 2 units plus 2 units plus another 2. 2 plus 2 makes 4. 4 plus 4, 8 units. Perimeter is kind of easy. Vale. The other thing that is not perimeter is called area. The area is not the same as the perimeter. It's not like if you are walking over here and over here and over here and over here. No, the area is the space, the room that your shape has inside, like I don't know the word in English, like the superficie, okay? And if the area will be this one side times we're going to use multiplication this time, times the other side. And it's always going to be in unit square. Little by little, guys. Area, let's think about this example. Side times side. Okay, I have 4 sides, but 2 of them, well, in this case, all of them are equal, actually. But think about this side, because this side is the same side as the other one, and this side, because it's the same side as the other one. So the area will be 2 times 2. So the area will be 4 unit square. Let's do another example. That way. First thing, write down the sides, like the measures. This side is 3. This side is also 3 because they are equal. And this side is 2, the same like this one. Vale. The area will be like the whole surface. Vale? You have a jar. How many units square has your jar? Or this mat? Or this whiteboard? It depends. So, will be side times side. This time is not 2. This time, these sides are 3 units long, and these 2 sides are 2 units long. And let's solve the multiplication. 3 2 times 6. Remember, unit square is the way we explain that we are talking about a surface, an area, always with unit square. And in this case, let's do the perimeter to see the difference. The area will be 6 units square, the perimeter. Yes, the round. The line around. The perimeter will be 3 plus 2 plus another 3 plus another 2. So will be 3 plus 3 makes 6, 8, 10. 10 units, not units square, because we are just measuring the line around. You got more or less the idea? So what you need to do? Let's see with an example. Or another example, guys. With this 100. A ver. Perimeter, side plus side plus side plus side. Area, side times side. Vale? So how many units we have here? You know that this is 100, so in this part we have 10. Another 10 in the other side, 10 over here, and 10 over here. First, perimeter. Imagine that you are walking around 100. You will do 10 meters on 10 units, another 10 units, another 10 units, and another 10. So you will make 40 units. Now the area. The area is the whole surface that is inside. So, and remember that is side times side. One side is 10, and the other one is the same, another 10. How much is times 10 times 10. 100, yeah. Unit square. Okay? So hopefully you got more or less the idea. You need to do your own examples to really understand. And now let's work on the activity that you have for this week. You need to read the story that is called Spaghetti and Meatball for All. And in the story, you're gonna see that Mrs. Comfort tried to make table arrangements for different kind of guests, different numbers. Let's work on the first example that you have, that is 24 guests. Okay, you can use, I will use seat protector so you can erase and review your answers, or you can use the online tool that I gave you to make your tries. Okay, let's fit 24 guests in here. Imagine that this is your restaurant, like your floor, and you need to fit 24 guests in different tables or in the same. Over here, you cannot draw tables around, just inside. 24 guests. And a great exercise will be to calculate the area and the perimeter of the floor of the restaurant. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put one table over here, another one over here, and think about how many guests you will fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need more room. I'm going to put another 3 tables over here. And think about how many guests you will fit in here. 1, 2, 3, and 2 more. 2, 2, 4, 6, 10. And I need to fit 24. Okay, let's think about a different thing. Okay, imagine that this is table number 1. Here I have 4, 8, 10, 12 guests. I have an idea. Because I need to fit 24 and 12 is the half of 24. So I'm going to build another table exactly like that. And I will have room for 2 more, another 2, and another 4, and another 4. So in here I will be having 12 and another 12 over here. And 12 plus 12 makes 24. So I will have room for the 24 guests. Great. This can be an arrangement. Yeah. And now you need to calculate always the area, the perimeter, and the area of your groups of table. Not all together, but of each. Perimeter, voy a poner aquí. I'm going to write table 1. Table 1 is this one. Okay, perimeter. Remember, the perimeter will be the line around. So the side of this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. 2, 4, 2, 4. 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. Perimeter will be equal to 4 plus 4 is 8 to 12 units. And now the area. The area will be like the whole surface of the table. And remember, area is side times side. So one side measures 4, the other ones measures 2. How much is 4 2 times? 8. And the most important, unit square. And my table 2 will be exactly the same because it's the same shape. Okay, so you have the different assignments with the different numbers of guests and some tricky stuff to play with. This is an introduction activity, so try to have fun planning your arrangement and think about it and erase and design new ones, because the next example is 24 guests but using the least quantity of tables possible. Oh my! So here I waste so many tables. I will need to plan differently, okay? Have fun, and we will keep working on that on the few next weeks. Thank you.